I'm downloading iOS 14 public beta 2. I'm not sure why it's calling 2, but it's the first public beta. So it's downloading right now. Just in case if you want to download, it's very simple. Go to Safari, and then when you type in beta.apple.com, first you would need to sign in. Click on sign up and then sign in with your ID. After that, you will see the steps, and click on enroll your iOS device. After that, it will ask you to download a profile. Profile will be downloaded, and once it tells you it's downloaded, go to settings, and in the start here you will see the option profile downloaded. So you need to install that and click on trust and everything, and once it's fully working and installed, then go to your journal here and look for updates, and it was there in maybe 2 or 3 seconds. It just show up there. After some time, it just starts downloading. So right now it's downloading, and once it's installed, fully working, then I'll show you everything, how it's working and what are the changes. Just to show you again, just to give you an idea, right now I've signed up for the program in beta.apple.com, but I haven't installed the profile. So just to show you how to download the profile, enroll your device. After that, says download profile and allow. Profile is downloaded, and go to your settings, and here, see that? So once you click on this, it'll ask you to install it, and install it. Type in your PIN, and it will be fully installed. All you need to do after that, just go to settings and then look for updates, and it'll show you the updates over there. Okay, so it's been downloaded now. I haven't seen it, so let's try. So agreement, agree, continue. I can feel it. It's a little bit hot after the installation. Display zoom, continue, get started. Hey guys, how you doing? So now it's fully installed. So this is how it looks. iOS 14 beta version. It's a public beta, beta you can call it. So this is the way it looks. It's on iPhone 8, just to let you know. So biggest change I would say is the widgets. So this is the common widget. You can change it like this, and you can remove it. Right. And in this screen, just like an iPad, you will be able to see all these widgets. And if you want to add, then just press and hold anywhere, and then click on this plus button, and these are the options for any widget you want to add. So imagine you want to add weather widget. So there are a couple of options, and more will come with new apps, and depend on the developer what kind of apps they're developing, but this has a very good potential. See these dots here? It seems like you can just move it, but you cannot. So add a widget, you can add it here, and it just directly goes into the top. I think you can drop it in the middle. Okay, you can drop it in the middle here. So you can just do it here, and also you can edit a stack. So you can put things whatever you want to show up over there. In iPhone 8, these are the only options available at the moment. Depend on the new apps comes with these functions, so you're gonna see more options. After that, one more new function. So here, just click here, and then it'll show you these pages. So whatever apps you don't want to see on your home screen, then you can uncheck it, and then you will be left with one screen. But you can remove all of these and just put a widgets here only. So this is the app library I was talking about. This is like not just like a kind of like a app drawer from the Android, but it's automatically piled up according to the apps. So entertainment, productivity, creativity. Okay, so you can directly launch it from here. If you tap in here, then it's give you more option, and the animation is cool. So after that, iOS 14 beta public version, it added some of the privacy options. Like whenever you access any camera, like some hacker is trying to access your camera, you will see this green dot here, so you will know any app or anyone else is trying to access your camera. So this is the very handy feature, and plus also it's works in a microphone also. So just go here and go to voice memo and just start recording anything, and it'll give you the orange dot here. Okay, just stop it. There are some less features as compared to iOS 10. As you know, this doesn't have any gestures like iOS 10, so it's a little bit different. If you go to accessibilities, then in iPhone 10, if you go to touch, you see a back tap option, but there is no back tap option here, so you won't be able to put any of the shortcuts with tapping on the back. I'm not sure how exactly it works. Maybe it works from the vibration, or just there is some sensor inbuilt already, but it doesn't work on iPhone 8. App clips. So this app clips basically works will work with the new kind of apps which does have the option enabled. So you can just tap it, and through your NFC it's going to show you the clips of the app, like basically a smaller preview version of the app, and you can just use it temporarily. You don't have to install the whole app. So that's the whole purpose. And some changes are in the maps also. Even in Ireland, the map is updated. You will get more of the 3D visuals basically. Plus, you will be able to route for the bike. Earlier there were no option for the bike, but now you can use it. Then you will see the feedback app. So you can sign in here and give your feedbacks. If you see any bugs or any error or any problem with the beta version, you can just basically report about it. Also, there's a translator app, but only has some options, not that many options. Some you need to download, and it works very fluently, but it's still weak as compared to Google Translator. It has more support for the languages like Hindi, so it can be useful in India, but this it doesn't. I didn't see any of the bugs at the moment, but I will let you know if I do see any. These changes are welcome from my side, and it looks much better, and I really like this app library, and widgets are okay. I'm not sure I'm gonna use it that much, and the privacy option, I really liked it. At least you will know which app is using your data and trying to steal your data. Just because it's a beta version, try to not to install it on your primary device. I do have an iPad, 2 iPads. I didn't install it on that because all my data is stored there, so I didn't want to take any risk just because it's a beta version. And also one more option, I would say, you can I think search the any emoji now, and it'll tell you what the emoji is. basically is about. So these kind of small changes are there, and do let me know if you do know any big changes and if you like the iOS beta public version or not. So thanks for your time and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.